Sheep are great, just don't be one. What I mean by this is do not follow the crowd. The masses are the. You fill in the blank. I'll tell you about this on this episode, Confidence 365. This is Confidence Hack number 40 of 365 throughout the year. If you want an email directly to your inbox to start your day off on the right confident foot, go to davidnurse.com and sign up for free. My father taught me a lot when I was young. One of the most profound sayings that he ever taught me was the masses are the, I'll let you finish that one. It rhymes with masses. Yep, I learned it when I was 5. Imagine my 3rd grade teacher's reaction when I told her that during show and tell. Yeah, didn't go over so well, but it's a great saying to live by. Whether you agree that I should have learned it before I learned my ABCs, it's trivial. My father was right. If the masses, aka sheep, are going one way, the best advice I can give you is run the other way as fast as you possibly can. Confidently go in the direction that the zombie walkers are not. According to Las Vegas casinos, 13% of people who make their journey to the desert oasis actually come out on top. 13%. That is not 49%. That is not even a manageable 40%. 87% of people do not come out on top. 87% of people. That's a pretty reasonable percentage that we could place our blank is the masses into, starting with that A. And it's not just the gambling we're talking about here, really. It's everything. I mean, how do you think the Nazi Party was created? By multi-layered analysis of deep individual thinking? No, quite the contrary. A zombie-led mass sheep herd of followers. This could be one of the most powerful confidence hacks to live by. Confidently turn and walk in the direction of the masses. They're going one way, you go the other way. So they're fill in the blank of the word that we know we're using here should be in your rear view mirror as you walk in the other direction. It served me well since 3rd grade, even though I was actually given detention that day. Conformity is a dangerous magnetic pole society wants us to give into. Why do you think they set up the school system the way they did? For humans to be able to critically think, ask questions, and challenge social norms? Absolutely, positively not. Why do you think the 9-to-5 American dream is the way it is? To give people financial freedom and a mind to think for themselves? No chance. To feel just close enough to safety that one would not dare give up the quote-unquote support. Then one day you wake up, 30 years have gone by, just going through the motions and being another cog in the system. Do you want this to be you? Is this you? You should really take some time to think about that today and ask yourself the question, how many times do you find yourself saying, they say, ... That's exactly what they want you to do. Don't be a they, be a you. There is only one you, and you are individually and authentically created to do what only you were meant to do. Do not be the 87%. Do not follow the masses. Gain confidence today in knowing that everyone, if everyone, is going in one direction, you run the other way. Now, my wife and I, we just got back from Maui. We start every year off in Maui. It's just such a refreshing, recharging way to start the year. But what I've been using, meat that I have been eating for the past 6 months and been absolutely obsessed with, comes from Maui. Maui Nui venison. They have delicious ground meat, organ blends, a variety of steak cuts, rib chops, jerky. It's very lean too, and I'm big on staying in the best shape I can possibly be in. And sometimes the beef will have a lot of fat in it, but Maui Nui venison, extremely lean, healthy, all just amazingly raised in Maui Access deer. So what they're doing it too is giving my listeners, you all, a great deal to go try it out. And the code is NURSE for 20% off. Go to Maui Nui, Nui, venison.com. Check it out. There's great great meat in there. You'll get addicted like I have. And it's also a great gift to get people too. So check it out, MauiNuiVenison.com, 20% off with the code NURSE. And if you get it, let me know. Love to hear about your experience.